How to block pages for adult in your Google Chrome from your cell phone or from your browser on your PC. For this, what you need to do is simply open the Google Chrome in front of you, and then on the home page, you should click on the setting of your Google account or your Google page. Firstly, this is my Google homepage tab here, and this is my Google account. Simply click on it and then scroll down to the Safe Search option and click on the More setting from this menu. In the Safe Search or More menu option, you can see the Safe Search option, and here you can simply enable the Safe Search, like this is blur, off, or filter. You can simply click on the filter option that helps you to and keeps you away from the explicit image and links. The blur will help you to blur the links, and then off will do not expect anything. So you have to simply click on the filter button to totally ignore all of post and ignore the content that is sensitive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.